to talk a little bit more about data integration, because VaultSpeed wouldn't be much of an integration tool if it couldn't allow you to do that. So what we're trying to do here is to integrate multiple source systems from our speed shop company, which sells all kinds of vehicles. And the example we're going to use is the product range of the company. The business owners of the company really want to integrate the data about products at the top level of this product taxonomy. So at the level of products. They talk about products. They don't want to talk about specific kinds of products. So they really want to integrate at the top level. The problem is that the actual source systems, for example, this first CRM system that they've built, that operational data system talks about products at the third level of this taxonomy. So they talk about passenger cars, motorcycles, and so on. And the other source they try to integrate, which is the inventory source, talks about motor vehicles or non-motorized vehicles, which is a bit annoying because they really want to integrate at this top business model level. Now, Data Vault can help you solve that problem. What you need to do is create one hub at the top level of the taxonomy, the level at which you want to integrate, and then get or create a new satellite for every single source that talks about that product range. So in here you get a hub products, 2 satellites coming from the ERP system, and then 4 additional satellites coming from our sales system. So that's what we want to build. The question is now, how can we do that with VaultSpeed? So I've created a release here for our speed shop data vault. And VaultSpeed wouldn't be VaultSpeed if it wouldn't do some integration automatically. So you can see here that our shops hub is automatically created, and it integrates the shop tables from both the sales and the product source. Now, we want to create an additional hub group for products. So I'm going to create that one right now. Products, give it an abbreviated name as well. I'm going to choose the same name actually. This will create my product hub, and now I can select from all my source tables which entities I actually need to implement here. For example, motorized vehicles, non-motorized vehicles coming from the product source, and then on the other hand I have my bicycles, my e-bikes, my motorcycles and passenger cars coming from the sales source. They both exist at different levels of my product taxonomy, but using this hub grouping capability, I can really integrate them at the top level, which is exactly what my business users want to see. So I can save that like this, nothing else I need to do. And here in my hub group overview, I can see the result. This is the hub that will be created, and these will be the satellites that will evolve around it. And if I go to my graphical overview, I can actually generate the data vault model that I've built right here. And if I zoom in a little bit, I can see exactly what I wanted to create here. I have my product hub, and I have different satellites for each and every single source and every taxonomy level that I wanted to integrate on top of that same entity, that same hub table. We can also consider the rest of our model here, where we have the customers as well, and also clearly the relationship, the relationship that my business would clearly understand that a customer buys a product. And that's how you do data integration with VaultSpeed.